Alright, let's do a quick video. So yesterday we got protect the routes working, so now let's do let's get I don't know what to do next. Let's see. Routes here. Okay, I don't clearly my leaderboard. Oops. Okay, so routes. Okay, so we have our post request. Let me double check if this works, because I believe my database turned off because my computer updated. Let's get this going. Alright, it's running. Okay. Let's get per login user. That's fine. Let's do a score, I guess. Handle score submission handler, right? And we'll do http dot response writer and then request of an http dot request, right? And we'll just r dot, I guess, r dot write byte. Actually it's already a byte, right? Okay, so dot body, I think we can just do that, right? Is this not bytes? Oh, it's a reader. Can we convert this into a byte? Let me do a check how it's done. Auth. Actually, just make it simple. Let's do. Actually, it's supposed to be in R. Leaderboard. Let's just write something here. Right. Let me make another one. Score submission. I probably should rename this. Let's call this get leaderboard, or I guess get top players. And then this one, obviously we have our header, body, score submission. This is gonna be a post request, so make sure that saves. And of course I don't have a server running, so let me. Oops, actually. Score submission handler. This, and then this is of course a leaderboard handler. Okay, so let's run that again. Perfect. Wait, that's kind of weird actually. Oh, I think it's because of the. Hold on. I think it's ranked score. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so it does work. But again, if I don't have the barrier token, it will not let us go through. Okay. Now I think we can basically do that submission thing. Leaderboard. So basically, expected payload here would be like. Let's flip this here. I want this first here. And we'll do like type score payload struct an example something I want is something like score submission. Where is it? There it is. This is exactly what I'm. Okay, actually, let's call it match. Actually, I actually like that prefer. So leaderboard, let's do score match submission handler, and then our routes.go. Let's call this a match submission handler, and then in our leaderboard. So what it looks like is like this. We have result. Yeah, result of type string, I guess. Bro, why is my thing all weird? Is Aerospeed like not working or something? Let's like restart it real quick. Jesus Christ, this is why Aerospeed is so fucking buggy sometimes. I don't even know where my fucking terminal went. It's just, I hate this. Is one of the problems with Mac. It's just like once it updates, it just like fucking breaks everything. Yeah. Where's my ghosty? Okay, it's just gonna not work, I guess. Why is this being like this, bro? Oh my god, bro. Aerospace is so fucking weird. Why is it? I don't know why I'm getting floating windows. This is so weird. Also, did my OBS just turn off? I don't even know what happened. Oh, okay. Okay, let me just quit Aerospace. And then restart. Okay. Let's put this here. 3 and then. What space is this, bro? Bro, Aerospace is broken, bro. I have no idea what the fuck is happening. Holy shit, this is fucking buggy. Bro, it's still broken, bro. Are you serious right now? I'll fix it later. I need to get some work done. Okay. What I wanted to look up. Okay, my mouse is off too. What I wanted to get was string types. I guess union types in Go. Yeah, they don't have a union type. Okay, I'll just check it manually. So basically, the result is basically a win or loss, and then it crowns. Actually, the number. So let's do it int 64. Actually, just int 32 is fine. It's only the values are only gonna be 1 through that. So, and then obviously I'll call my score validator. So we'll do. Okay, let me go to my auth. Go here, and we'll do all of this junk. I should probably have a function for this, low key. Score payload. Score. Actually, it's called match payload. Payload. Let's call this match. Let's call this match payload. Match payload. Probably need to do this. Okay, so we'll do that. Okay, so if error does not equal nil, error unable to parse payload. I guess bad request maybe? I don't know. And then we can just do I probably need to write my leaderboard service. So like write leaderboard service, leaderboard service, leaderboard. I'll go. No, leaderboard is up here. Nope, leaderboard. Do I not have a leaderboard? Yeah, I do. I should have a leaderboard. I'll go. Internal leaderboard. Leaderboard. I'll go. Look here. We'll do type struct leaderboard, or I guess leader. Well, let's make an interface. This is a behavior that I expect. Not really. I just want a specific type of leaderboard. So leaderboard struct, and it'll have a few values. We'll have some methods attached to it. Why am I importing myself? That makes no sense. We have a struct here. That's what I want. And then I guess submit, right? Submit. Payload, I guess match payload type struct, or a small type struct. We'll do like crowns. That's int 32, and result press string. So match payload, match payload. Probably an error if something goes wrong. And then we probably need the probably takes storage dot storage, right? Storage And then we'd probably do sorted sets, or I guess ranking. Storage, or like sorted sets like that. Sorted sets dot something like that. I don't have the exact word. We could make a mini function like validate payload. Validate payload, which probably takes a match payload of match payload and returns an error if it goes wrong, and basically returns if the match payload dot crowns is greater than 3, or match payload. Let's start with the negatives. We will like less than 0, or match the crowns dot crowns return I probably should be an if statement, so let's do that. If that match dot crowns greater than 3, return errors dot new must be crowns valid crowns must be in the range of 0 to 3. And then we can validate, okay, payload. We'll do if match payload dot result does not equal a win, or and match payload dot result does not equal a result dot a loss. Return errors dot new result must be a win or a loss. Other than that, then we could just return nil. And then we could just validate payload with the match payload error. If error does not, dude, I hate this keyboard. This keyboard sucks. Obviously return the error, and then return no. Oh my god. Okay, and then yeah, that's good enough for today. See you guys tomorrow. Well, let me just commit this real quick. Oh, let's do it here. Stage this. Stage all of this. Commit. Ensure auth JWT token works plus leaderboard handler setup. Oh god. See you guys tomorrow.